welcome back to Candy Chew. Today we are having a very exciting project today because we're doing a new Tybo Tidy Tie-Dye. Includes 4 designer stencils. You can create colourful masterpieces, and this is ages 6 and up. Easy clean! It includes a sponge and stamps, and this is by the company named Mookie. Warning! Choking hazard! Small parts not for children under 3 years. Step 1, squeeze it. Step 2, slide it. Step 3, show it. T-shirt bag and socks are not included. And this is a print studio. At the back of the box, it shows you everything you can do and what it includes. And if you like tie-dye so much, you can buy the other ones online. And these are all the steps. Step 1, choose your stencil. Step 2, add your colors. And step 3, slide it over. Use the slider to spread the fabric paint across the stencil. Remove the print studio to reveal your cool, colorful creation.
So that was a good look at the box. Now let's get inside it.
So guys, you can open it over here.
I'm so excited to see what's inside.
Yep. So let's show you everything what includes in the kit. 1 print studio, a pack with a scraper tube, a scraper, a stencil frame, some designer stamps, 1 sponge, some designer stencils, and some clear gloves. We've got some paints. We got yellow, black, red, white, blue. And we get, of course, instruction guide. So guys, let's open this up. Ooh. This is a scraper tube and a scraper, sponge, some stamps, a stencil frame, some clear gloves, some stencils, and some stickers to stick on your t-shirt. So let's take a look at all the stencils. So number 1, we have some burger and fries. We have some pineapple and flowers, a unicorn, and a heart with a smiley face.
And this is the instruction guide. They show you what you have to do with this kit and how you can do it step by one. I went step by step.
And before we start going, here's a quick video we want to show you.
Tybo Print Studio. Color ready to go. Create your fashion. Tybo Print Studio. So many designs. So fun to do. Create your fashion. Tybo Print Studio.
Okay guys, we are taking out these stencils. So guys, we stuck everything in and we are doing the burger and fries for our first design. So let's bring in the t-shirt. Okay guys, so now we've got some cardboard which we are going to put in the t-shirt so it does not move. Okay guys, now let's get started. I'm going to use yellow. Okay. Yeah, let's put this on. Guys, so we actually made a mistake because we put it in the wrong way and it made a huge mess. So now we put it in the right way, so you have to tip this the other way. And now hopefully it's gonna work. Okay, there. here is the result. Okay, guys, it's the
What a beautiful design!
Okay, guys, we're trying again because we failed on the first one. Let's do this. Okay, guys, a moment of truth. Oh, wow! Okay, guys, we're gonna keep going until we have a nice result. Oh, wow! Let's do another one. Okay, guys, this is the result. Now, after this one, and this is the finished result. It looks amazing. Well, this one is the best we've done.
Okay, everyone, now it's my turn. So I'm gonna do this unicorn print. So I've set it up again, and I'm gonna put some paint down. Okay, let's see how this turns out. This is the reveal. Okay, that was much better than before. So these are the completed prints that I have done, and it goes from worst to best. So And I think I've done Papa over here. But this was the completed toy, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Okay everyone, I've got this paint palette here to test out some tie-dye stamps. So here are all the colours, now let's get the stamps out. Okay everyone, these are all the stamps. We got some different prints on them. We got a star, a hat, we got this little flower, and we got this symbol. I don't know what it is. So let's dip them in the paint. I'm starting off with blue first. And you need to get a good amount. Now I'm doing a heart on this. Okay. So that's the heart I made up from these stamps. It's basically a high like paint, and then it goes to low. So yeah, that's it. Okay everyone, now I'll be doing sponge printing, so let's get going. So as you can see, all my inks are finished, and all I got is a little bit of white and a little bit of blue left. That's why this pineapple is not very colourful. Okay everyone, this is a completed t-shirt. I think this t-shirt was the best out from everything else, and it was quite a lot of fun, but the only disappointing thing was the paints. As you can see, all these paints are finished over here. We got hardly nothing. If you want proof, then nothing will come out. And they're just finished, but if they had put more paints in this this kit, then it would be more fun for the kid to do, and he can that way create more designs. But after all, this kit was good, but I think that you need to purchase some more screen printing paints online, and that way you can have more fun and get better quality results. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and comment down below what you want us to do next, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye! And this was a lot of messiness, but just wanted to show you that, does this come off? Let's find out. This is a lot of mess for some reason. Okay. So this is the result of my hands after cleaning with a wet wipe. Now I'm gonna have to spend 2 hours in the sink trying to wash all this off, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye!